Hello guys, welcome back. Join me as I dive into CapCut FX secrets and challenge myself to create the most mind-blowing video edits using only these hidden features. Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Wave Studio. Are you tired of creating video that looks like everyone else? Do you want to take your editing skills to the next level? Well, you are in luck because today I'm going to introduce you to CapCut, a powerful video editing tool that's packed with amazing features. I'll be revealing the hidden FX secrets that can elevate your editing skills and make your video stand out. We have all been there, spending hours editing a video only to end up with something that looks like every other video out there. The struggling is real, especially when you are limited to the effects. When you are limited to the effects and creativity in your own editing software. I mean, how many times have you scrolled through your effects library only to find the same old transition and filters that everyone else is using? It's like where the fun is that you are trying to create something unique, something that showcases your style and personality, but this is hard when you are working with limited tools. And let's be real, sometimes it feels like every video is starting to look the same. You are trying to make your video pop, but it's hard when you are working with the same old effect and transition you want. So on today's video, let's go through the FX editing. We are going to start editing using our smartphone. With just smartphone, you'll be editing using the FX features. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me till the end.
Okay guys, now we are on our CapCut. So, well, firstly, I recall that FX effects are visual enhancements like transitions, filters, and animation. Among these search results, multiple pages mention how to add effects. For example, we talked about transition and also overlays, which are part of the FX, and also text, stickers, and effect throughout the toolbar. Also, details that affect tabs in the media panel and how to apply them. Okay, now I'll be explaining step by step how, as a beginner, how you can start to start using FX with accessing the effects section is key. The main toolbar has an effect toolbar button as per. Then apply effects by dragging them to the timeline or clips. So now let's start with transition. For you to add a transition to your video, all you need to do is to we need to split this first. We have to split this into two. Click on the split button. Now you can see it has been split. Then you move back a little bit. You will see a box between where you split it. Just click the box. This is the transition. Then all we need to do is just click here, then locate transition. So let's locate our transition. Where do we see our transition here? So just a minute. So this is our transition. Then choose your choice, the best choice that you are going to use. Effects library, just tap the effect, any effect you wanted to use, just choose it here. Okay, let's go with this. Once you choose this, it will display on the screen. Let's wait till it's load. It will display on the screen. Can you see? Those are the sign and the examples of effects, FX, especially when we're talking about effects. FX deals with transition, filters, animation, and visual enhancement, also by adding text. So immediately you tap on this, you can see that it's display the exact one we choose, which is the card shuffle. Immediately you choose the card shuffle, you will see the display. And also let's click on the camera focus. You will see that this will also change at the same time, which is going to be different from the card shuffle we clicked earlier. Can you see? Just slow it. Let's fast it a little bit to see the transition. Okay, that is too fast. So you can also see that. So you can also choose from the different effects. We have the light effects here and also camera. Just choose your own choice. We have blur, basic, mask, slide, glitch, distortion, thousands of effects to use on the transition. So now let's move down to filter. Let's move down to filter. Okay, accessing FX tools, effects library, tap the effect icon in the main toolbar category, including basic, blur, glow, color adjustment, dynamic effects, lightning, particle animation. So background removal, auto tracking, speed course, transition and filters. Find this in dedicated tabs next to the effect menu. It is next to the effect menu. So that is what we just did. Just split your video, click on the middle bar, then you see the thousands of effects that you can use: the distortion, the blur, basic, mask, slide, glitch, distortion, and everything. So just click that. So applying FX. Now we're going to apply another effects. Talking about effect also, it has to deal with overlay. I said it earlier. It also deals with overlay. For us to add an overlay to this video, all we need to do here is to just click on overlay. Here we are going to be clicking on overlay, then click on add overlay. Just choose any video of your choice. Maybe this. Okay, let's choose this. Add. Now zoom it a little bit to the middle. Zoom it a little bit to the middle, then go back. So this same overlay we just added, all we need to do, we can also add transition to this same video we just added. So all we need to do is to just click on it, then locate animation. Let's locate our animation. This animation, click on animation. Then you can also choose any animation of your choice that you know it befits the video. We have thousands of animation here also. We have thousands of animation here also. Okay, let's try to choose just one is okay. Just let's try to choose one. Okay. We have, like I said, we have thousands, not even one. Thousands of animation are here. So let's choose this. It's going to be displayed on the screen. Can you see? You can also fast it or slow it the way you want it to display, or choose this. Let's choose another one. So you can see. So we can also add transition to overlay image. The overlay image we use. You can also have transition to that. And also talking about overlay, immediately we add an overlay, we can also add a keyframe to this same overlay. We can also add a keyframe to this overlay as well. So what do we need to do? All we need to do is to just scroll here, click on it, scroll to the beginning of the video a little bit. Then you locate the keyframe at the top right, at the center right corner here. Click on the keyframe. What do we need to do? We need to just, maybe you want to just do it to your own taste. A little bit, shift it. You can shift it down, and also here, shift it up here. Doing this doing this step by step, we'll be adding the keyframe to it, and how you want it to display depend on your choice, depend on how you want it to be. So let's check it out. Immediately we have the add the keyframe to that, to our overlay video. Let's play it and see the way it display. You can see, can you now see it display the way you want it to be? So that is the part for the keyframe. Also, speed effects. Talking about the speed effects, maybe the video is slow or you wanted a part whereby you want it to fast and display. All you need to do is to just click on the video or on the particular part you wanted to use, then locate the speed side. Just locate the speed, click on the speed, then we have velocity effects, curve, and normal. This normal now, this one is just to add it straight. Then you can click on the slow-mo, or you know, slow-mo. Well, let's go back. Then curve, you can also click on the curve. Yeah, it's loading. Then we have it here. It's display especially the way you want it to be. So that is for the speed. So that's all. Or you click on the normal, you shift it to the middle, you shift it slow. Maybe you want it to smooth, faster process, better quality, the way you just want it to be. And also creative uses of effects. Talking about the text sticker animation. To add text sticker animation to this your editing, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to just locate text. Just click on text. We can add any text. And also talking about text, we have different templates. Text, audio, auto lyrics, but just click on the text templates. This is the most beautiful part to add a text because it comes with different design and different display. Let's click on this. Immediately you click on this, it will show you how to edit it to your own text. You can also edit this to your own text. What do we need to do? Just to click on it, then we change the text on it. Okay, let's click on Waves Studio. You can see, then that's all. Then you decrease it, down here. So immediately you do that, just click on the mark sign which is here, click on done. Then it will display the way you want it to display. Just click on this. Can you see it displays smoothly? Then it's flew off. So that's it. Talking about the text animation side. And also, what do we need to do here? Also, adding of stickers is very, very simple. All you need to do is to just click on sticker, click on stickers. Any stickers you wanted to add, just click on it. This is the arrow sign. Maybe you're trying to point on something, maybe you're editing, maybe you're trying to show people where to click, where to add this and that. All you need to do is just click on the sticker sign, then you add the sticker you wanted to add. So combination of effects, layer multiple effects, new filter, camera shake for dynamic visual. We have thousands of effects, and most especially pro features of CapCut. It allows you to have access to key effects, categories, every fixtures on CapCut while you're using CapCut Pro to edit. But when you're using a free version, it limits the way you have access to most effects or most tools on CapCut. But when you're using the Pro version, you have access to use any effects or any stickers or any of the tools on CapCut. So talking about the effects, I think we have come to the end because we have added everything you need to know about keyframe, stickers, text templates, and also overlay. Now you can also see that, and everything will be displayed according to the way you set it. You don't even need to stress yourself on or trying to look for something else to do, or maybe you're looking for another solution from anywhere. No, with this, with only this, it will help you to get all the FX features you're looking for, both the animation, both the transition, both the overlay, both the text template, and also both the stickers. Using these features will help you to create a unique and dynamic effects movement control on the CapCuts. And also, using the keyframe, it makes your video looks amazing while you use keyframe on your overlay video. As you can see, while I click my overlay, we also add keyframe to this, which makes it to be moving up and down. Even though there are some stages whereby you will just take a video trying to use your hand to demonstrate showing people text. With the use of keyframe, the text, you can have the access to apply the text to your hand and controlling it with your same hand, which people will think this particular text was on your hand while you are trying to explain a couple of things for them. So guys, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned and turn on the notification bell. On our next video, we'll be talking about other stuffs, how to use motion graphics inside your video. We'll be talking about how to use motion graphics on the video on our next video. Stay tuned, subscribe.